hope you all are having an amazing day. So I'm really excited because today is not a typical unboxing. Today is, I'm gonna just kind of share with you something that I purchased, and I'm really excited because it's gonna come in handy here in just a short little bit. First, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. Guys, don't forget we do have quite a few active giveaways going on right now, including our 6,000 subscriber and the Jeffree Star mystery box giveaway. So definitely check those out if you have not. That link will be below. But today we are opening the BirchBox. You know what? I now don't remember what kit this is, but it's like a travel kit, which, like I said, is going to come in handy because we are heading to Mississippi here in just a few short weeks. So I thought this was like perfect. It was actually on sale. They had some of their kits. I love the BirchBox Discovery kits. They had some that were 40% off. They're already an amazing deal, but then to get 40% off, I think is fantastic. If you are not familiar, BirchBox is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $15 a month, and you do receive about 5 to 7 different products. You have different ways to go about the subscription. You can just let it be a complete surprise based off of your profile. You can select one sample that you know will be in your box. The rest will be based on your profile. You can choose from a couple of curated boxes. You can choose one particular item to swap your box for, and now you can also choose to swap your box for money in the shop. So they have a lot of different options. I'll put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BirchBox. It does get you your first few boxes at a cheaper rate, so that's pretty awesome. And BirchBox has really stepped up their game brand wise. There's a lot of Sunday Riley lately and just things like that. We've gotten some full-size products. It's actually, they've upped their game. So anyway, like I said, this is a travel kit. The one thing I like is everything in here is TSA approved. So obviously it means it's less than 3 ounces. And I am ready to kind of dive in here and see exactly what it is. Supposedly everything we could need kind of is in here. So let's open her up and take a look. And obviously it comes in a bag, so that's awesome as well. All right. And I don't remember at all what is in here. So we are just going to start. So the first thing, this is from Avene, and this is a micellar, it says lotion, but so like kind of like a micellar water. So it's a makeup remover. So that is actually great to have. It's the perfect size to take on a trip. So you don't have to pack, you know, a bunch of stuff. You can just take this and you're good to go. And then let's see. Merci Handy hand sanitizer. Hello Sunshine. That's always great to have on a trip, especially when, like with us flying, everything is nasty. So I'm definitely glad to have some hand sanitizer to like douse myself in because planes can get really germy, and then just the airport and different things. So that's always awesome. That was a good thing to put in there. And then this is from Beauty Counter Sun Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. So this is a SPF 30 sunscreen. Now, I don't really need this time of year, but it is definitely something nice to have. This is the actual product outside the box. And again, it's a great size. Now, if you're going like to the Bahamas or something, you probably would need more than that, but just for a regular vacation, that is definitely a great size. And then we have from Alterna, Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Priming Leave-In Conditioner. Detangles and primes fine, dry hair. That's a good size for a leave-in conditioner. So now I don't have to pack like my big spray bottle of leave-in conditioner. What does this smell like? Oh, that smells good. Okay. I'm liking that. I didn't even realize that was in there. Okay. And then we have from Marvin's Classic Strong Mint. This is a toothpaste. So now I don't have to go to Target and buy a travel size toothpaste. I have one. And then, oh, not Marvin's, Marvis. And here is the Strong Mint mouthwash. That's awesome. Okay. Then we have from Jahara, a rice facial cleanser. So we have a face wash. So we have the micellar water and a face wash, which is fantastic. And then from Malin and Goats, we have a eucalyptus deodorant. What? Oh, it does not. That smells just like eucalyptus. It's actually really good for my sinuses right now. That's awesome. I've never seen their deodorant. All right. And then we have from Peter Thomas Roth, we have a cucumber gel mask. So you can mask like after an evening, knowing that I'm going to a casino. I may need to mask like the morning after we get there because of traveling and then probably, you know, staying up a little late. Then we have from Dr. Jart Water Fuse Ultra Hydrogel. This is, so it's a moisturizer. It's like a water cream. So that's awesome. They are getting us covered. I'm liking this. And then we have from Air Repair Complexion Quenching Facial Mist. Yes, I love facial mist. Let's see. With its unique gel formulation containing aloe leaf juice, hyaluronic acid, and sodium PCA, this facial mist and toner has incomparable moisture binding properties, rich and soothing plant extracts like lavender and calendula. It's ideal for use on stressed, irritated skin. It instantly cools and hydrates, leaving the skin feeling quenched and looking radiant. Awesome. I'm so excited. Yes. Oh, this little BirchBox kit is even better than I thought. Like I said, I love the BirchBox Discovery Kits. The perfume ones I've gotten, I got the big summer one, which was amazing. They really do have some good stuff. All right, and then, oh, we have something from ColourPop. What? I guess I just didn't pay attention when I bought it. I was just like, oh, a travel thing. I'm about to leave somewhere. So this is a ColourPop Lippy Balm in Bellini BB. So that is nice. Awesome. I'm not gonna have to like pack much at all. And then we have from Love of Color Glow Squad Quad. What is? It's a bold, bright, beautiful world, and we're just playing in it. Get glowing with this easy-to-use face palette. Comes with 3 versatile shades that can be used as eyeshadow or highlighter, plus a lip cheek duo. They all glide on smooth to give you the perfect glow on the go. What? I really did not pay attention when I ordered this. All right, so that is it out of the package. Oh, wow. Okay. That's actually really nice. I'm kind of excited about that. All right. And then we have from Davines Momo Shampoo. Moisturizing shampoo for dry or dehydrated hair. Shampoo, yellow melon extract. So there's the shampoo. Oh, that smells good. So we have a shampoo. And we have the Momo conditioner. Momo. Okay, it's actually got like this safety seal here on it. I'm not going to open it because I obviously will be taking this with me to Mississippi. So I don't want to take the chance of anything happening. So we're just going to leave that one closed. All right. And then this, oh my gosh, this is just too precious. This I do remember is a little brush. So it is just a cute little BirchBox hairbrush. So, got hairspray in my hair. I have a little brush that I can put in the hair and have ready to go. And then we have one more item. And this is a scrunchie. Y'all, scrunchies are making a comeback. I'm telling you, scrunchies are coming back. And this is cute. And this is really cute for fall. So it's like this really pretty rust orange, burnt orange, but then it has this little extra. How cute is that? I love it. So that was everything. And let me see about this paper. Get Ready to Jet. That was the name of this. I could have looked at this, y'all. I seriously thought this was just like a design. Nope. Has all the information. That's okay. But I mean, it just tells us everything, and it does go over full size pricing for the products. So I don't really, I mean, this probably is full size. I don't really know if anything else is full size or not. I mean, the ColourPop Lippy would be for sure. But it does go over full size pricing, but it is the Get Ready to Jet. We've included nearly everything you need for your next trip to minimize that pre-flight scramble. Even better, they are all TSA approved. So, awesome. So, let me know what you guys think. I love it. Do you guys like trying the BirchBox Discovery Kits? Like I said, I absolutely love them. I think they are fantastic. And like I said, when I saw that they had a few, and this was one of them for 40% off, I thought it was amazing because if I remember correctly, this is about $120 or $140 value. And I got it for like $28, but because it already was at a great price, but then the 40% off. So let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.